Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Seafood pasta recipes and cooking tips. Seafood pasta is a popular dish that's easy to love. It's a combination of tasty seafood and pasta that's perfect for a quick dinner or special occasion. Many people enjoy seafood pasta because it's versatile and can be made with a variety of ingredients. This video will cover some great seafood pasta recipes and helpful cooking tips to make your dish turn out delicious. You'll learn how to prepare seafood pasta like a pro, with ideas for different types of seafood and pasta to use. The history of seafood pasta. Seafood pasta has a rich and fascinating history that spans centuries. To understand how this dish came to be, we need to take a step back and look at the cultural and culinary influences that shaped it. The combination of seafood and pasta may seem simple, but it's a match made in heaven that has been perfected over time. So, where did it all begin? Italian influence on seafood pasta. Italian cuisine played a significant role in the creation of seafood pasta dishes. The Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on fresh seafood, olive oil, and herbs, laid the foundation for the development of seafood pasta. Italian chefs made the most of the country's extensive coastline, experimenting with different types of seafood and pairing them with various pasta shapes. The result was a plethora of delicious dishes that showcased the versatility of seafood and pasta. Some popular Mediterranean ingredients used in seafood pasta include garlic, lemon, and tomatoes, which add a burst of flavor to the dishes. Consider the classic spaghetti alla vermiglia, a dish made with clams, garlic, and herbs, which is a staple of Italian cuisine. Global variations of seafood pasta. As Italian immigrants traveled the world, they took their seafood pasta recipes with them, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. This led to the creation of unique and mouth-watering variations of seafood pasta. For example, in Asia, you'll find dishes like seafood pad thai, which combines shrimp, mussels, and squid with rice noodles and a sweet and sour sauce. In Latin America, seafood paella is a popular dish made with saffron-infused rice, shrimp, mussels, and chorizo. Some other global variations of seafood pasta include Greek seafood pasta, made with feta cheese, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. Spanish seafood pasta, made with chorizo, shrimp, and smoked paprika. Thai seafood pasta, made with lemongrass, chili peppers, and fish sauce. These international twists on seafood pasta are a testament to the dish's versatility and its ability to adapt to different cultures and cuisines. Whether you're in the mood for something classic and traditional or adventurous and new, there's a seafood pasta dish out there for you. Popular seafood pasta recipes. When it comes to seafood pasta, the options are endless. You can choose from a wide range of dishes, each with its own unique flavor and ingredients. If you're looking for some inspiration, you've come to the right place. From light and refreshing to rich and hearty, we'll explore some popular seafood pasta recipes that are sure to satisfy your cravings. Light and refreshing seafood pasta options. Imagine a warm summer evening, and you're in the mood for something light and refreshing. That's where seafood pasta dishes with lighter ingredients come in. These recipes often feature seafood salads or pasta dishes with citrus herb sauces. For example, spaghetti alla vermiglia is a classic Italian dish made with clams, garlic, and herbs. The clams are cooked in white wine and garlic, then tossed with spaghetti and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's a simple yet flavorful dish that's perfect for a quick dinner. Another option is fettuccine with smoked salmon, which combines the rich flavor of smoked salmon with a light and tangy cream sauce. Some other light and refreshing seafood pasta options include seafood salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a citrus vinaigrette. Linguine with shrimp, lemon, and parsley. Seafood pasta with a zesty basil sauce. Rich and hearty seafood pasta options. On the other hand, if you're in the mood for something rich and hearty, there are plenty of seafood pasta recipes to choose from. These dishes often feature creamy sauces or seafood stews served over pasta. For example, a creamy seafood fettuccine is a comforting and indulgent dish that's perfect for a cold winter's night. The pasta is tossed in a rich and creamy sauce made with heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and a variety of seafood such as shrimp, scallops, and mussels. Another option is a seafood stew served over pasta, which is a hearty and flavorful dish that's perfect for a special occasion. Some other rich and hearty seafood pasta options include seafood lasagna with layers of pasta, seafood, and creamy ricotta cheese, shrimp and scallop pasta baked with a rich and creamy bechamel sauce. Seafood linguine with a spicy tomato sauce and a variety of seafood such as mussels, clams, and shrimp. Cooking techniques for seafood pasta. When it comes to cooking seafood pasta, the techniques you use can make all the difference in the flavor and texture of your dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, understanding the best ways to cook your seafood and pasta is essential. In this section, we'll explore the various cooking methods you can use to create a delicious seafood pasta dish. And that's it for part 1. Now you've got the base ready, but there's still more to come. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll finish off this delicious seafood pasta. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.